What is up, everybody? Today's a good day. So, last you saw, I went to check out a couple cars, previewed them. Well, I got two cars. I have the Lancer, and I picked up a GMC Envoy. So, we're gonna go look at those. I'm excited. I was really wanting the Lancer OZ Rally, so that'd be good. I like that idea. Now, of course, do I keep this or do I go with the Lancer? It's gonna be a rough one. We'll see. Alright, let's go look at cars. What's up, everybody? We're actually on the way to the auction lot, and you guys get to see when I see the OZ and the Envoy, or NV.
I'm excited about the OZ. I hope that we get to keep it.
It's non-turbo and it's front-wheel drive, so we'll see.
We gotta see how it drives, he said.
So, alright, see you back. Got paperwork, got keys. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Notes. Okay, Lancer is number 181 and 170.
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be through here.
181 and 170.
Yeah.
The Envoy is right there. I was just pointing at the Envoy that I bought.